Founded 360 years ago by the Puritans, New Haven, Connecticut bills itself as the birthplace of the hamburger. But it's also home to some of the best pizza on the planet. According to local legend, New Haven Style Pizza originated in the early 1920s, when Neapolitan immigrant Frank Pepe began making pizzas, then called tomato pies. He began selling them to local factory workers on a pushcart. In 1925, Pepe purchased a building with a brick oven and began selling his pies from that location. Over time, two more signature New Haven-style pizzerias opened their doors. Modern Apizzas, originally called Tony's Apizzas in 1934, and Sally's Apizzas in 1938. New Haven style serves up a thin crust pizza, pronounced Apizzas, typically cooked at high temperatures in a coal-fired or oil-fired brick oven, and served in an irregular or oblong shape. A close relative to the classic New York style, with roots in the Neapolitan tradition, New Haven-style pizza features subtle differences from the two that make it unique. The dough used in New Haven-style pizza is given more time to rise than traditional pizza dough, and the flour is a little lower in protein content, about 13%. The baking process also varies from the Neapolitan and New York styles. The oven temperature is close to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pie bakes longer than other styles. The result is a crispy pie with a bit of char on the crust. There are two pies most commonly associated with the New Haven style. The tomato pie is a simple pie with crushed tomatoes, olive oil, and a dusting of pecorino romano. The white clam pie is an iconic New Haven pizza. It originated in the 1940s when Pepe put clams, a popular appetizer at the time, on a pizza and added olive oil, garlic, and oregano. The baking process melded those ingredients with the clam juice, essentially creating its own white sauce. Not much has changed about the Apizzas over the decades. When it comes to New Haven-style pies, it's all about tradition.